Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. All mighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and my continue to win you like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with the very beautiful crop top crochet blouse designs ideas. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing design show to your pupil in the if you like video today, and so share it with you friends and family members. You can't many videos from my videos very helpful and useful for you guys, so I keep sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want to videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers now how to did the work you yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make similar designs for this type of designs is very popular in the country, and girls love such videos. Amazing very videos has a lovely designs for. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So friends, today in this video my channel, I am very happy. Please let me in no comment if you guys are interested in my videos. I am very grateful as subscribe to my channel all the designs. Thanks my dear.